Hey, I'm Steph at Glo Skin Beauty, and this is a quick guide to our Phyto-Active Firming Mask. Visibly lift and boost radiance with this luxurious reparative treatment mask. It enriches skin with serum-strength firming effects for a softer, more supple, brighter complexion. Powered by plant stem cells, superfruit lifting complex, and platinum extracts, this anti-aging mask strengthens and firms while renewing and repairing. Nourishing and replenishing the complexion, it adds a visible lifting effect, delivering softer, radiant skin in just 10 minutes. Apply a smooth, even layer to skin after cleansing and toning. Leave on for 10 minutes, then remove with a soft, damp cloth. Use up to 3 times per week. This luxurious mask is the perfect skin pampering pick-me-up that my complexion needs. It's perfect before a special event or for that Instagram-worthy glow.